Good news, your dream home has just been listed. But before you can even look at it, it's been sold. In today's real estate market, the best listings go fast. It seems like right now, sellers have all the advantages. Websites, brochures, mailers, and buyers just have to point and click and pray. But that's changing. Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Fox & Roach Realtors has developed the home buying system, a set of tools and services to give buyers a leg up and to make sure that their home buying process goes smoothly.
It starts with Buyer Match,
A system that allows your agent to enter key details about what type of house you're looking for and your desired location, and potentially match you with properties before they are even put on the market. Additionally, your agent has access to Showing Time app, which allows you to efficiently schedule and confirm showings so you can see a new home while others are waiting for a callback or an open house. The home buying system also seamlessly integrates the BHHS Fox & Roach family of companies, who can pre-qualify you for a loan, arrange for a mortgage with competitive rates and terms, provide title insurance, and homeowners insurance. Everything you need in a single system, and all managed in a virtual transaction room so your information can quickly and securely flow from one member of your team to the next, making your purchase more efficient and free from unnecessary paperwork and delays. The home buying system exclusive to Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Fox & Roach Realtors, empowering buyers in a competitive real estate market. To learn more, ask your Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Fox & Roach agent.